Good morning. Today you're going to be creating 3 more shapes and drawings from the same file that you created this drawing. Today you're going to be creating your shapes from the number 2, number 3, and number 4. Remember, each one of these grids is 0.25 or 1/4 of an inch. To do this, you're going to create new part studios in the same file. So if you look right here, I already have this part that we did previously. I can actually rename this if I right click using your right mouse button and rename it. And this one is iso1. Now when I create new ones, I can rename it iso2, iso3, iso4. Don't do all of the shapes in one tab. Do individual shapes. So I'm going to create a new one and create a new part studio. And here's that part studio. Once again, I can right click on this and I can rename it to iso2. So you'll have iso1, iso2, iso3, and iso4. Yesterday we created a drawing, an A-size sheet drawing with just iso1 on it. Today we're going to create a drawing with all 3 ISO shapes, ISO2, ISO3, and ISO4. So it'll have to be a much larger drawing. So I'm going to insert a new tab and a new drawing. This one will be an ANSI B inch. ANSI B inch. If you don't see it under all, it'll probably be here under ANSI B. Not C, but B. And you probably can't tell right away, but this sheet is much bigger. Now you'll do all 3 of your shapes on this one. So if I want to add ISO1, let's pretend that this is ISO2. But this size is going to be too big. So I'm going to make it a little bit smaller. I'm thinking on mine 1 to 5. Yours will be different because you'll have different sizes. So you'll place your ISO2 right here. And just like we did it yesterday, create all 3 views plus the isometric of it. Then you'll put ISO2, or excuse me, ISO3 and ISO4. So you'll have all 3 of them on one page. If I want, I can actually move this up to the top of the page. So there's one of mine. Remember, you can always double click on this and change it to a little bit smaller. And you can always right click on the line and if you want to show shaded. So there would be one of my ISOs, maybe ISO number 2. Then I would add another one. Insert the view, insert. We're going to go find ISO 3 this time. And wherever it fits on your page. Hit escape. So there's ISO 1, or excuse me, ISO 2, ISO 3, and ISO 4. So first you have to draw all 3 of the ISOs. Then you put them all onto one drawing, and that drawing is going to be a B-size sheet. Try to get this done this period. No matter what you have done, take a screenshot of everything, including dimensions, wherever you're at the end of the period, and upload it to my Canvas page. I need to see your progress for today. Be good for the sub.